In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter merchant fees in QuickBooks Online. This easy to follow guide will help you navigate through QuickBooks Online and accurately record those essential merchant fees without any hassle. First, we'll begin by signing into QuickBooks Online. Start by opening the QuickBooks Online website and clicking on the Sign In button. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're in, click Continue to proceed to your QuickBooks Online homepage. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the New button. This button will usually be located in the top left corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on New will open a drop-down menu with several options for different transactions. From these options, select Bank Deposit. Now you'll need to add the account that corresponds with your merchant transactions. Be sure to select the right bank account where your deposits, including merchant fees, are processed. After selecting the appropriate account, it's time to specify the date for the deposit you are preparing to document. Use the calendar tool to choose the correct date, making sure it matches the date of the actual transaction. Following the date entry, move on to selecting the payments you include in this deposit. This is where you select the payments that are being deposited from your merchant account, ensuring everything is correctly aligned with your financial records. Next, focus on adding funds to this deposit. This step is crucial for entering the merchant fees. Begin by either choosing an existing account for the bank or merchant fee, or if none exists, you can create a new account specifically for these fees. This new account will help in keeping your records organized and clear. Once the account is settled, it's time to enter the merchant fee itself. Remember to input the exact fee amount, and very importantly, enter this fee as a negative amount. Inputting the fee as a negative value ensures that it offsets the total deposit accurately, reflecting the actual amount received after fees. Finally, after entering all the relevant information, take a moment to review your entries. Once you're certain everything is correct, click on Save and New. This will record your deposit along with the merchant fee and allow you to start another transaction if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully entered the merchant fees in QuickBooks Online. This process ensures your records remain accurate, helping you maintain a clear financial picture of your transactions. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you in managing your QuickBooks accounts. Keep practicing to make this a smooth and seamless task in your bookkeeping routine.